Yeah, maintenance for the most part is a behind the scenes kind of role. It it happens mainly at night. We're a 365-day operation, basically 24 hours a day. Of course, during the day the buses are out in service, the public's riding them, and when they get back at night, that's when we start servicing them, maintaining them.
We work either a 4-on-3-off shift, which is 4 o'clock till 2:30 in the morning, or we work 5:25 till 2:30 in the morning, 5 days on, 2 days off. It can work out. My wife works during the day, so I'm home with the kids. Then she comes home and I go to work, so it saves us on childcare.
What works for me on night shifts is I don't have to get up to an alarm at 6 or 7 in the morning, and I don't have to get in the morning commute for traffic. It can be physical, which is a good thing. You walk a lot, keeps you physically fit, so I think that's better than sitting behind a desk all day.
This company gives a lot of opportunities for people to move up and do some different things. You know, I started as a service person and have moved my way up, and not everybody might want to be a safety and training officer. They might want to be a service delivery manager, or they may want to get into planning and scheduling, and this company offers that for us.
The beauty about Unifor is that it's the biggest union in Canada, right? So there's a lot of membership behind it. There's a lot of solidarity, right? I don't have to worry about my job every day.
The work is steady. The work is always here. We're always serving the public, so it's a job that you can definitely have a long career in. What makes me proud about having a job at BC Transit is that we're able to serve our communities of Greater Victoria, and feel that we get people to and from work. We get people to where they need to go. It feels good at the end of the day that we have accomplished our goals.